Eid is upon us, and like every time, every desi household must be preparing halwas, kheer, savaiyas, and so on and so forth. But this Eid will make a difference. We'll make a keto strawberry pudding. You can make it at night and chill it out, and in the morning, after you return from your prayers, it will be ready. Even then, if you wish to enjoy the traditional halwas, savaiyas, and kheers, we have made that also time and again. Every year I upload a new recipe which is keto friendly, health friendly, sugar free, and all as much as you can eat. You can enjoy your Eid, you can enjoy your sweets. This is a sweetie. So let's start right after the intro.
Assalamu alaikum, wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and to make this scrumptious, tasty strawberry pudding, we need 2 cup of milk. I am using coconut milk, that is about 400 ml of milk. Just a few days back, I shared how to make coconut milk at home. If you are in a hurry, you can use canned milk, but make sure that your can is BPA free. We do not want any toxins in our keto pudding because it is a healthy pudding. After you add the coconut milk to your blender jug, add 10 eggs. Make sure your eggs are pasture raised because we need all these eggs to be super healthy. We'll not be using many utensils, just this blender jug, everything we will mix it up in this. Now in addition, I'm using the sweetener. I'm using stevia. You can use any sweetener you like. I use 2 tablespoons of it. Now to add some mouth watering aroma to our pudding, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of food color. This is optional. If you don't want to add, you can skip this because I am adding 3 tablespoons of homemade strawberry jam. This jam will give enough color. If you don't wish to add additional colors, that's okay, fine. You can even add fresh strawberries if you want to, but then you will be needing to add a lot more of sweetener. Plus this strawberry jam gives a really tangy flavor. I like it. It is very easy. There's a 1 minute recipe. You must see that. Now just put this aside and grease and line your mold in which you are going to prepare your pudding. This is one of the most crucial steps because if your mold is not greased and lined properly, your pudding will break up and that will break your heart. And don't say Dr. Asma did not tell us before. Anyway, as you can see, this is a silicone mold that I'm using, but still I added some coconut oil in it and now I'm adding some honey in it. If you wish to keep it like low sugar, you can skip the honey. You can use sugar free chocolate syrup. And now I'm adding some strawberry jam again. If you don't have strawberry jam, you can add some strawberry syrup. Make sure that your strawberry syrup is sugar free, but make sure that your mold is properly greased and lined. We want our pudding to come out perfectly. Now blend this all together, the ingredients which we added in the blender jug. This pudding can be steamed in the oven also, but I'm using this huge pan. I just put the stand in it and I filled it about 1/4 of the pan. I filled it with water, and on this stand I'm putting another tray just so that our silicone mold is on an even level and the baking is like even. And now in this mold I'll be adding all the batter that is just blended, and then I'll just cover it. In the first 5 minutes, put your flame on high. After that, for 30 minutes you have to make your flame low, very low, just like this. And then after 30 minutes, when you put in the skewer, this is what you will find. See, it is perfectly done. Your skewer if it comes out fine, that means your pudding is done. But although it is done, it is not ready to eat yet. You have to leave it to cool down before outside the fridge, and after it cools down, then you can chill it in the fridge. This I have chilled overnight. Only if your pudding is properly cooled and chilled, it will come out like this. It will not break. Otherwise, it will break and all your efforts will go in vain. Now this is ready to eat, but since it is Eid, I am just adding an extra touch for a specialty for Eid. This is a whipping cream. I just added 1 teaspoon of stevia in it to 1 cup of cream and a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and I am making florets. You can decorate your pudding as you like. It is a festive season, it is Eid, and this florets, they will act as your Eid card. people will know this is no ordinary pudding and this is a pudding for Eid. You can decorate it as you like. I am adding florets on the top and I'm very sure your decoration will be better than mine. I just added florets on the top and on the surroundings I added a border of cream. Now you see, these are the things which make your dish from a level of, yeah, it is fine to wow, it is an amazing dish. So as you can see, this is how it turned out, and I felt like the center of this heart should not be empty. I filled it up with the strawberries that I had. And as you can see, this is the final look. I'll just taste check it for you. And as you can see, it is smooth, it is creamy. You have to make this, it will make your Eid. And you have to let me know in the comment section how much you liked this pudding.
So as you can see, this is a super simple sweet dish, a dessert you can make at night and chill it out in the morning. You have a very delicious dessert waiting for you after the prayers of the Eid. Do make it and let me know how was your Eid and how you enjoyed it. And till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.